Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Sadaqallahu al-azim. Dear viewers, I am Muhammad Yasin. We were talking about classification of elements with respect to history, and in last video we have discussed the classification with the idea of Dobryner's, and who arranged elements in group of 3 elements, that is Dobryner's triads. Now today we will discuss about the Newland's octaves, which is also known as law of octaves. This arrangement, this classification of elements is based on the law of octaves. Which is law of octaves? We will discuss in law of octaves. Actually, Newland's octaves, the topic or discussion. Newland, an English chemist, 1866. In 1866, an English chemist who arranged the elements on the basis of their atomic mass. Atomic mass, or you can say that atomic weight. He proposed a law which is known as law of octaves. Law of octaves. According to this law, every 8 elements, when we arrange elements are arranged on the basis of increasing atomic weight, every 8th element has properties similar to first one. This is the main idea, main principle, main law for arrangement of these elements in different groups. You can say these groups are actually considered as octaves. These elements are arranged in octaves. The elements which were known, which were discovered in those days, were arranged on the basis of their atomic mass: hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, after that the next element which were known was fullerene, and the fullerene was kept according to law of octaves with the hydrogen. And he shows that the properties of fullerene are similar to hydrogen. And after that, in the order of increasing atomic mass, increasing atomic weight, then sodium was kept, magnesium placed, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. After that, chlorine, potassium, calcium, titanium, chromium, manganese, iron. These elements are arranged on the basis of increasing atomic mass. When we start from here, the atomic mass of these elements is increasing gradually, and this arrangement was according to law of octaves, which is given by the Newlands. In this arrangement, no doubt, this arrangement was very clear for some elements, but there were solid objection. If we compare this arrangement with the modern periodic table, these elements, hydrogen is not kept with fluorine and chlorine. No doubt position of hydrogen is ambiguous today. It can be placed with 1A group, can be placed with 4A group, can be placed with these 7A group, but this position is not according to the modern periodic table. And after that, lithium, sodium, potassium, these are placed in modern periodic table, same position as according to Newlands law of octaves. Then beryllium, magnesium, calcium, same group as in modern periodic table. This classification was as such as discussed by the Newlands. But the solid objection, valid objection was there, why iron can be kept with oxygen and sulfur, because oxygen and sulfur are non-metals and they have different properties, and iron is a metal, have different properties. In the same way, these elements, iron, manganese, chromium, now in modern classification, these elements are arranged in a different category, which are known as D block elements. After that, whenever we talk, we will talk about the modern periodic table. We clearly discussed these elements in a separate video, but most of the work of the Newland was very accurate and was considered as in the modern periodic table. So this was the you can say initial, this was the start who organize elements in a proper way on the basis of their properties, on the basis of their atomic mass. These elements are arranged, and most of these elements are arranged according to their properties, were considered as right, were known. Nowadays were not changed their position because they were placed in proper position. That was about Newland's octaves. Short question can be asked, what is the law of octaves? Main thing, main idea of this arrangement is the elements are arranged on the basis of, when elements are arranged on the basis of their increasing atomic mass or atomic weight, every 8 element have properties similar to the first one. Now if we start from this one, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th have properties similar to first one. So carbon, when we count from this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th element have properties similar to first one. When we start from this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 potassium, property similar to sodium. So this was somehow very clear that this arrangement was accurate. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.